Hey YouTube, so today I received pepper plants in the mail. And I got these from GrowWithCan, a shop on Etsy. And their tagline is creating joy that can be shared for a lifetime. And this is my first time ever buying plants online, let alone pepper plants. But these look so good, guys. I mean, this one here looks like it's even trying to put on flowers. I don't know. But they look really good, and I'm glad that I got them. They had a buy one, get one sale. And if I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong, maybe it's connected. I believe this is 2 plants in here. So I was blessed with 3, if this is a 3rd one. I think it is. But I'll show you what this looks like when I put these out into the garden. All right, so getting this situated out here, and I went ahead and pulled up 3 marigold plants, and I'll plant each of these with the peppers. I already had some growing in the garden, and I just decided to pick them, and then we'll plant them again. Marigolds. So this is the soil, and in here is a lot of perlite and some more perlite and some potting soil. So this is what we're going to use to fill the grow bags with. So today is actually windy. So grow bag and then soil. Look at those roots. So I did take off a few of the leaves here, and it'll be just as good. Right in the middle. And then one of the marigolds. Right here. Well, I'll put it here, right at the edge. All right, so I ran out of the small ones, So I went to the next best thing. These little bread ties. So that's what's holding it like that. All right, so these are the mystery peppers. One there, one there. I thought it was 2 plants, but that's one whole plant. So, and it's windy, so I tied it up as best I could. Let the wind. And that's that.